Hello students, Sai Ram. Let us again continue with the same lesson, fractions and decimals. And today we are going to study about division of fractions. Now let us take an example. What is 2 divided by 1 upon 4? So here 2 whole number we have to divide it by 1 upon 4. Now this is the pictorial representation of this division. Here you can see 2 bars are given and they are written as 1 and 2. And it has to be divided equally into 1 upon 4 parts. So let us see how it has to be divided. The first bar you can see here, it is divided into 4 equal 1 upon 4 parts. So you can see here there are 4 parts of 1 upon 4. Now second bar you see it is again divided into 4 parts of equal 1 upon 4. So totally when you add all the parts you will get 8. So the answer of 2 divided by 1 upon 4 will be 8. So when you divide 2 by 1 upon 4 you get 8. So this is the pictorial representation. Now let us see how to divide the fractions. Now here there is an example given, 3 upon 4 divided by 2 upon 7. So when you divide the fractions, the first fraction will be written as it is. So we will keep the first fraction same, so it will be 3 upon 4, and the next sign you can see the symbol here, division sign is given. So division will change to multiplication. So you will have to change division to multiplication, and the next fraction 2 upon 7 we have to flip. Flip means the numerator will go to the denominator's place and the denominator, the number which is in denominator, it will come to the numerator's place. And it is also called as reciprocal. You have learnt it about it. So we will write 2 upon 7 as 7 upon 2. And then you know multiplication, we are going to multiply this to fractions. So 3 will be multiplied by 7. So 3 sevens are 21. So in the numerator's place we will write 21, and denominators 4 and 2 you can see both we will multiply, 4 2s are 8. So you will get 21 upon 8. Now let us see next example, 3 divided by 3 upon 4. So here they have given whole number 3 first. But 3 can also be written in the form of fraction as 3 upon 1. And 3 upon 1, so we will write 3 upon 1. And then division sign is there. So division will become multiplication. And 3 upon 4 we will write as 4 upon 3. Because the reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. So that is written here, you can see. And then now you can see both these 3's can be cut. So it is reduced here and you will get here 1. On reducing we will get 1. 3 ones are 3. And now we will multiply both the numerators of the fractions. So here 1 and 4 will be multiplied. You will get 4. And in the denominator 1 is there in both the fractions. You can see. So 1 into 1 is 1. So you will get 4 upon 1, which is equal to 4. Now let us go to the next question, next example, 2 upon 3 divided by 2. So the first fraction will write, first number will be always the same. So we will do the same thing, 2 upon 3 divided by 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. And then we will write again the same fraction 2 upon 3, and then division will become multiplication, and then 2 upon 1 will be written in the reciprocal form and it will be 1 upon 2. Now you can see 2 and 2 can be cut. So it is reduced here. We have written here 1 and then 1 will be multiplied by 1. Both the numerators will be multiplied. So 1 ones are 1, and then in the denominator you can see 3 and 1 is there. So 3 ones are 3. So the answer is 1 upon 3. Now let us see the next topic, that is reciprocal of a fraction, which we have learned just now. So we are going to see, we'll take one example and understand it. Find the reciprocal of 3 upon 4. Now just now we have learned 3 upon 4. What will be the reciprocal of 3 upon 4? It will be 4 upon 3. Because 3 is in the numerator, it will go to the denominator's place, and the number which is in denominator, it will be in the numerator's place. So 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 3 are reciprocals. And as you know, when we multiply any number by its reciprocal, we should get the product 1. So let us see whether we get the product 1 or not. 3 upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon 3. So let us multiply 3 4s are 12, and then in denominator also we are getting the same number 12, and 12 and 12 when we reduce we will get 1. So children, you remember, whenever any number is multiplied by its reciprocal, the product is always 1 except 0. So now we will go to the next question, next example. Here there is a mixed number given, and that is 3 1 upon 2, and that you have to divide it by 2 upon 5. So we have learned before, when a mixed fraction is given, you have to convert it into improper fraction. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 upon 2 divided by 2 upon 5. Now we will use the method of division. 7 upon 2 will be written as it is, division will become multiplication, and 2 upon 5 will be written as 5 upon 2. That is the reciprocal form of 2 upon 5. And then we will do multiplication. 7 5s are 35, 2 2s are 4. So 35 upon 4. So it is an improper fraction. If you want, you can convert it into mixed fraction. And that you have learned in the previous session. By division, you can convert it into mixed fraction. And the mixed fraction will be 8 3 upon 4. Now, one more example of mixed fraction. 3 1 upon 3 divided by 8. So again we will convert it into improper fraction. 3 into 3 is 9, and 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 upon 3 divided by 8. So 8 can be written as 8 upon 1. So now both are in the form of fraction. Now 10 upon 3 will be written as it is. Division will become multiplication, and 8 upon 1 we will write in the reciprocal form. So it will become 1 upon 8. And then now you can see 10 and 8 can be reduced by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. Now 5 will be multiplied by 1. You will get 5, and 3 will be multiplied by 4. You can see the next step. 5 into 1 is 5, and 3 into 4, which is in the denominator, you will get 12. So the answer is 5 upon 12. Now let us do some questions of the exercise 2.4. There are 3 questions which I will be showing you. Other 3 questions you will do it in your homework notebook. First question is 12 divided by 3 upon 4. Second one is 14 divided by 5 upon 6. And the third one is 8 divided by 7 upon 3. Let us see how to solve it. The first one is 12 divided by 3 upon 4. So you can write it as 12 upon 1 also, or you can directly write 12 multiply, division will become multiplication, and 3 upon 4 we will write in the reciprocal form. So it will become 4 upon 3. And then we will reduce 12 and 3. As you know, 3 4s are 12. So we will write 4 in place of 12. We'll cut 12 and we'll write 4. And then now in the denominator only 1 will be left. Now we will multiply the numerators. 4 into 4 is 16. So answer is 16. Now let us see the next question. 14 divided by 5 upon 6. So 14 we will write as it is, or we can write 14 upon 1. And then division will become multiplication. And then 5 upon 6 we will write 6 upon 5, reciprocal form. And then we'll multiply. 14 into 6 is 84. And denominator will be 5. Now it is an improper fraction. You can see the division shown. 84 divided by 5. So 5 1s are 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Bring 4 down, 34. So 5 6 are 30. And 34 minus 30 is 4. So you will get the remainder 4. Now we will write in the form of mixed fraction. So the quotient will be the whole number 16, and then remainder 4 will be the numerator, and divisor will be the denominator of the fraction. So answer is 16 and 4 upon 5. Now the next one is 8 divided by 7 upon 3. Same method. 8 multiplied by 3 upon 7. Now 8 threes will multiply, 8 threes are 24 upon 7. And then 24 will be divided by 7. 7 threes are 21. 24 minus 21 is 3. Now we'll write in the form of mixed fraction, that is 3 upon 7. Now there are 3 more questions. You will do it in your homework notebook by this method. Now the next question is find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. So this 4 question I am showing. There are some more questions which you will do it in your homework notebook. So let us see how to do it. First one is 3 upon 7. So reciprocal of 3 upon 7 will be 7 upon 3, and which is an improper fraction because 7 is bigger than 3. It is okay. So it is an improper fraction. Next one is 5 upon 8. So reciprocal of 5 upon 8 will be 8 upon 5, which is again an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Next is 9 upon 7. So reciprocal of 9 upon 7 will be 7 upon 9. And 7 upon 9 is a proper fraction. Next is 6 upon 5. So reciprocal of 6 upon 5 is 5 upon 6, which is again a proper fraction. Now we will go to the next question. Find 7 upon 3 divided by 2. And then 4 upon 9 divided by 5. And then 1 upon 3 divided by 3. And then last one is 1 upon 2 divided by 4. So let us see how to divide them. Now let us see the solution part. 7 upon 3 divided by 2. So we'll write 7 upon 3 and then division will become multiplication and reciprocal of 2 will be 1 upon 2. You can write there 1 also in the denominator and then you write the reciprocal form. So it will be 1 upon 2. And then you will multiply both the numerators. 7 ones are 7 and then 3 twos are 6, 7 upon 6. And then by division you will convert it into mixed fraction. You will get 1 upon 6. Now next one is 4 upon 9 divided by 5. So it will be written 4 upon 9 as it is. Division will become multiplication. And then 5 will be written as 1 upon 5 because reciprocal of 5 will be 1 upon 5. And then we will multiply 4 into 1, 4 and 9 5s are 45. So answer will be 4 upon 45. Now let us see the next question. 4 1 upon 3 divided by 3. So it is a mixed fraction you can see here. We will convert it into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12 plus 1. So it will become 13 upon 3 divided by 3. First we will convert it into improper fraction. And then we will follow the method of division. So the first fraction will be same 13 upon 3 and then division will be written as multiplication. So that is written and then reciprocal of 3 upon 1 will be 1 upon 3. And then we will multiply 13 ones are 13 and 3 3s are 9. And again this is an improper fraction. We will divide 13 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. So the mixed fraction will be 4 upon 9. Now let us see the next question. 3 1 upon 2 divided by 4. So again this is an improper fraction, mixed fraction. You will convert it into improper fraction. So it will be 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2 divided by 4. So again now we will write the fraction same like this. The first one 7 upon 2 will be same. Division will become multiplication and 4 has 1 in the denominator. So we will write the reciprocal form of 4 upon 1. It will be 1 upon 4. And now we'll multiply. 7 ones are 7 and 4 twos are or 2 fours are 8. So answer is 7 upon 8. Practice all these sums again in your homework notebook. Now children, this is your home assignment. You have to find, this is of question number 4. There are some division questions. 6 questions are given which you have to solve by the method which we have learned today, and you will have to write this as home assignment for this topic. Thank you.